Hey everyone, it's Sunny B and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the basics of makeup. I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your foundation. And today I'll be showing you guys how to apply your foundation with two different foundation application tools. So the first one is my number one favorite. It is my foundation blending brush. This is from e.l.f. It's called the Ultimate Blending Brush. It's kind of old, but you know, I love it. I got this for $10 at Old Navy because like Old Navy has like a e.l.f. section, so I got this at Old Navy. And then I have my first love, which is my little beauty blending sponge. I got this at the dollar store for $1.25. You can get a pack of them for like $1.25. I call this my first love because this is what I initially started out with when I was like when I first started out with the makeup. A couple years ago, not too long ago, beauty sponges was like the number one blending tool for foundation. Everyone was saying, oh, beauty sponge, and I couldn't afford the pink one that was like $20. So I went to a dollar store and I got myself one that's cute like this, and it honestly did the same job as the pink one, but we'll get into that later. And then I also have my primer. I got this from Lush. It's called Magical Moringa, and I used to prime and prep my face before I apply my foundation. And then I have the star of the show, which is the foundation. This is my favorite foundation. It's my FENTY foundation. It says Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. I love this foundation because it's the perfect shade for me. It gives me the coverage that I want. It's in shade 385. I guess one con with this foundation is that it oxidizes, meaning that if you leave it on your skin for too long without blending it, it gets a bit darker. So once you end up blending it, it's going to be harder to blend in with the rest of your foundation that you blended initially, if that makes sense. But other than that, this foundation is amazing. So we're just gonna get started with the foundation application. So for the foundation application, I'll be doing two methods so you can see how well a foundation brush works and how well a foundation sponge works with blending in the foundation. So I'll be doing half my face. So first of all, I'm going to prime my face. So I don't really need a lot. You just take some like this, and then you can dab it onto your T-zone areas. Hold the whole face, but you can focus on your T-zone areas where you usually like get a little bit sweaty or greasy. Now that my face is primed up, I'm going to start with the foundation. I'm going to use the foundation brush first. With the foundation brush, always make sure that it's damp because it'll blend the foundation more seamlessly and it'll just look like more natural finish. By the way, this foundation applies on like skin and looks like your skin. It ain't cakey, it ain't greasy, it ain't none of that. It just looks like your skin, I'm telling you. Scan. Period. So usually I need about 2 pumps. This I might need a little bit more if I'm like want to be a little bit extra, but usually two pumps is good for me. And here's what I mean by oxidization. That's how you say it. So like how I apply my foundation, I take a dab like this and I dab it all over my face like this. So say I want to do something and come back, like it would be hard to blend because I left it on for so long and it got darker. So I'm trying to make this quick so that does not happen. After I do that, I just dab a little on here and just blend like this. So there you go. This is what Fenty looks like blended with the e.l.f. foundation brush. Looking like skin, fully blended, about medium to full coverage. You guys are wondering, ooh, what's that on her lashes? It's glitter. I decided to do a little some extra. I was being extra today, so I just did a little bit of glitter. Yeah, this is how the foundation brush blends the foundation. Really seamless, pretty easy. Does not take long. Yeah. So now we're gonna do the other side with the beauty sponge. So again, I'm gonna use 2 pumps. Oh, and another thing, make sure you blend out the foundation to your neck, because y'all be looking funny what your face did but your neck a different color. It not cute. That not hot. That not hot. That not hot. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. Everything looks the same, but I'm going to break it down to you real quick. So what I can say about the foundation brush and the sponge is that they both give the same end result. They both blend really, really well. However, there are some differences in terms of like blending techniques and things like that. So with the foundation brush, it is easier to blend, it is quicker to blend, because when you apply the foundation to the brush holds it in and releases it onto the skin. So it's easy to, you know, swipe in a swiping motion, kind of like painting, but no, not really painting. But yeah, it's super easy to blend with this brush, and it still gives you that flawless, airbrushed, skin-like finish. With the beauty sponge, like I said earlier, it does give the same result. However, it does take a little bit longer to blend out the foundation because the sponge actually does absorb some of the foundation. So I have to spread out the foundation a lot more to even out the color. And in addition to that, I have to add more foundation to the sponge to make sure that everything gets covered. So I guess in this case, I recommend the brush if you want to save a buck or two. But if you can't invest in a good foundation blending brush, you can definitely use the beauty blending sponge as well. Just going to lose some of your product, that's all. But yeah, that is it. So thank you all so much for watching. If y'all made it to the end, you already know what to do. Drop that king or queen emoji down in the comments, because y'all are great and y'all are destined for greatness. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just going to tell you guys from now, I have so much in store for you guys. So many more videos, so many more things to teach you guys. I got collabs coming, vlogs coming. It's going to be a vibe, but I can't wait to share it with you. On that note, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe with all your friends. And also let me know in the comments what else you guys want to see me do. What other videos you guys want me to do, and I'm gonna make it happen. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!